I asked ChatGPT what is the best way to build wealth. And do you know what it said? Buy real estate. So let's talk about that with numbers. Real estate prices, they have always gone up ever since we have data to track it from the 60s. But if you can see, that line is not always straight. It has its ups and downs. So let's use 2008 as an example. As you can see here, we had the peak in 2007 and the bottom in 2009. So over a period of 2 years, we had a drop in 20% in prices. And this, by the way, is the definition of a crash. We have to have a 20% drop. So after that, you can see that at around 2012, the prices went right back up. So I'm gonna talk about another anomaly. If you look in 2020, we saw prices skyrocketing. They went so much higher than the trend line. And this happened because at the time we were having very low interest rates and demand increased a lot. It started in 2022, we started to see a correction in this. That's when the rates started to go up and the prices started to drop a little bit. So from 2022 until today, in the course of 3 years, we already saw a 5% drop and we are expecting the prices to drop a little bit more. But it doesn't mean that there is no opportunity. So first thing, this is not a meme coin. The prices are not gonna go down all the way to zero. That $4 million home that you have saved on TikTok, it's still gonna cost multiple millions of dollars. And also, it doesn't mean that there's no opportunity in this market, especially with the new builds and the new developments. The builders, they're giving great incentives. So one, they are willing to cover a portion and sometimes even all of your closing costs. And they are also offering very competitive rates. So yes, you can wait for the prices to go down a little bit more, but you are going to miss all the incentives that you can get right now. I got a house in the peak in 2021 and that house is my gold mine because the interest rates were so low at the time that our mortgage is so low and we rent that property. We cash flow positive every month from that place. So if you need help finding the ideal location for your next dream home or investment home, feel free to talk to me and we can see what your goals are.